This physique represents the raw strength, confidence of years of discipline, training on show the result of consistency, heavy lifts, and an unbreakable mindset. It's not just ball size, it's about presence,